Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility. This is where iPhone groups screen readers. Tap Accessibility, then scan for VoiceOver at the top or spoken content below. You do this because VoiceOver modifies gestures and Speak Screen plays selections aloud. Once you see which one is enabled, pause and note whether VoiceOver is active. Its gestures change how taps work, so you can follow the correct next steps without confusion. If VoiceOver is active, remember gestures change. Single tap selects, double tap activates. Select VoiceOver and double tap the on/off switch to turn it off. You do this because VoiceOver intercepts normal taps. For Speak Screen or Speak Selection, tap the toggle and switch it off once selected. If you can't tap normally, use the Accessibility shortcut. Triple-click the side or home button to toggle VoiceOver. Make sure to confirm the toggle, move to off so normal touch returns. Once done, test simple taps and swipes to confirm the screen reader is off. This proves gestures are back to normal. If you get stuck, ask Siri. Say turn off VoiceOver or open Control Center for quick toggles. Siri often bypasses gesture issues. If toggles won't change, restart your iPhone and try again, and make sure iOS is up to date because bugs can lock accessibility settings. If problems persist, contact Apple support for guided help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.